There have never been a better time to earn in US dollars right here from Nigeria. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm not only going to mention the 6 different ways that I use to earn money in US dollars from Nigeria, but I'll also show you some free resources that you can use so that you can start making money in USD right here from Nigeria. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So how do I earn money in US dollars right here from Nigeria? The first on my list right here is YouTube. And for you to start making money on YouTube, you need to first create your YouTube channel and start uploading video. Then if you get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will add you to YouTube partnership program, meaning as people watch your video, adverts will be placed and you start making money monthly on YouTube. And if you are interested in starting your own YouTube channel but you don't know how, on this channel I have done a lot of videos explaining to you how you can start your own YouTube channel, how you can film your video and all that from your mobile phone. But if you want someone to hold you by the hands, you can join my own online academy on how you can kickstart your YouTube channel in 15 days or less. The second way I earn money in US dollars right here from Nigeria is by writing and publishing my own ebook on Amazon. And again, I have explained in this video step-by-step process on how I write and publish my book in 24 hours or less. But again, if you prefer someone to hold you by the hands, I also have an ebook. I will drop the link in the description of this video. I also have an online course on Amazon publishing, but it's nothing really much or personal about it. If you are someone that is a fast learner, you can also just watch this video and learn how I do that. The third way I make money in US dollars right here from Nigeria is through freelancing. And freelancing is simply you providing service. So I provide services to people. Like there are people that I create ebook and publish for them and I don't own any right to that book. There are people on Fiverr that I do graphic design and all that and they pay me in US dollars. Again, I just did a recent video explaining to you how I earned 935,000 naira from just 2 clients doing freelancing job. The third way I earn money in US dollars right here from Nigeria is affiliate marketing. And again, on affiliate marketing, I have done detailed video explaining to you how you can start making money from affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply you promoting someone's product or services through a special link. So there's nothing hard about it. I will drop the link in the description of this video so that you watch and better understand what affiliate marketing is all about. All right. The fifth way I make money in US dollars right here from Nigeria is through brand deal. And currently, honestly, with TikTok, I earn much more than YouTube. And right now, I have 6,000 plus followers on TikTok, but I have been earning a lot from brand deals because I'm just being specific about something that I talk about. And on daily basis, I see brands that are reaching out to me. And the least I charge currently is 100 USD. And 100 USD right now in black market is about 58,500 naira. So which is huge. And again, if you are not on TikTok or you want to join TikTok, but you don't know how to film, how to edit, how to run TikToks and all that, how to make money on TikTok even with less than 1,000 followers, I have detailed video explaining to you all that step by step on how you can start your own TikTok. I will also again drop the link in the description of the video. The fifth way or sixth way that I also make money in USD right here from Nigeria, and this is one of my sweetest, is cryptocurrency. So again, I talk about a lot on how you can also start making money, how you can buy, how you can sell, how you can trade cryptocurrency right here from Nigeria. I personally use Binance, and again, I will drop the links in the description of this video. So this video, I'm not really going practical. I just want to bring to your awareness, I want to bring to your notice that there are actually things you can do right here legitimately in Nigeria and you make money in USD. Making money in US dollars right here in Nigeria is the best thing that can happen to anyone right now, because honestly, $1,000 if you change it is about 586,000 naira, which is a lot. So if this video has been of value for you, kindly give me a like. It means a lot to me. The more you like this video, the more others will tend to see this video, and you never know who you'll be saving. If you have any question or you couldn't get any of the link of the videos I mentioned, kindly ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!